man was like surprised that you saw me today. As soon as I pull up the bottle, you're like, hell yeah.
The bottle's big as
Brand new too, bro. I don't know how it popped.
we can't just make it to a circle. We're just gonna go.
Not looking good for me. Hold on. You hear it? Cops non-stop. Oh shit, somebody did pull a gun or something. He wants to race.
That boy Omar don't want to smoke. I know that boy Omar don't want to smoke.
You sure about that? What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to San Antonio. Yesterday we were doing some good pulls with the NOS bottle right here. $351 power, torque, 570. Nitrous bottle, I'm sorry. Here with David. He's the one that owns a BMW. He's taking his OBS today because we're going to the truck show. We're coming back today. I'm still in Houston. I kind of messed up a little bit because I thought my phone was connected to the charger. It was not, so I woke up late. Right now it's 11:26. What? Nitrous! Well, technically the bottle is NOS. I think we'll get there like around 1. Races aren't really gonna be going on at the time, I believe, but I will be calling out Oscar and Alex. Freddie has a 900 horsepower truck. He didn't take the GMC. Honestly, the GMC will still beat me. Calling these people out just for entertainment, because I know for sure I'm not gonna win, but it'll be really badass if I did.
I had that when you had this, when you first came out.
You've been watching how long?
When you first messed up the underguard on this truck.
That was a long time ago.
I don't know how many years. I think Freddie had just wrecked the Silverado.
Yeah?
He had just wrecked that one.
Oh, the lifted one?
Yeah. He used to take it off-roading, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna do that with my truck. And I used to get stuck all the time.
Bro, this man was like surprised that you saw me today. As soon as I pull up the bottle, you're like, hell yeah.
Dude, that bottle's big as
It actually says NOS on it. It's the original.
Oh, that's the good ones, huh? I'm sleeping all they want, dog.
I like it a lot. Like I told you before, nobody has a V6, so let's just say this thing's pushing like 700, 600 or whatever. Like if I actually do start really building it, when somebody says you're slow, are they really capping on themselves?
They gonna have to find out.
Man, I kind of want to put it in the back though. Not right now. It's just, we had to leave certain things the way it is right now because we're running out of time, and we left like at 3 in the morning.
Yeah, I know, because I was like, that's why I was like, wait, you shouldn't be here right now. Man.
Yeah, no, I should be over there, but I thought I plugged in my charger. No, I didn't. Well, all right then, bro. You want your Instagram shout it out?
Nah, man, I don't need none of that. Just wanted to give you support and say.
I appreciate it, bro.
I appreciate you too, man.
Came randomly. You made my day, dog. I'm not gonna.
Yeah, you made my day right now.
Take care, bro. Be safe, and thank you for everything. I'm driving. I'm trying to call out some people.
Hey, I'm watching it.
All right, man. Appreciate it. Positivity really helps me out a lot. So when it comes to a lot of people being negative, y'all some assholes. But I love y'all. Figure out what's going on. I'll get back to you guys in a bit. As well, I found out what the problem was. It wasn't the nitrous, or it wasn't the fuel pump, which I still need to change because I haven't changed this fuel pump since I got it, and I always run it with the turbo. It was going and then turned off the truck. It felt like a gas leak for a second because the noise was going from the back. Turns out it was from the front. And no, it's not the motor. It was the motherfucking tire. Motherfucker's brand new too, bro. I don't know how it popped.
Where you got this?
I don't know. I don't even know where it popped. I think from right here, because there's like a little slash right here. It sounded like it was coming from the back.
You hit a curve or something?
No.
This shit.
see if we can put it where, if it's leaking right there, I'm pretty sure they got patches.
Honestly, thought I couldn't make it.
Even my old ass Chevy made it out here, and
Damn, bro. Just giving heat to these haters, bro.
So why didn't you bring a spare?
We're daredevils out here. We gonna risk it till we gonna risk it. It's more scary and fun that way. Oh, I should have brought it. It was the first time I didn't bring a spare. First time, and I never used it back then. But now when you really need it the most,
Yeah,
I didn't want no weight, you know. So. All right, guys. So we're gonna go to a tire shop right now, new tire, and then hopefully we can get it out there and race for one hit, I guess. I'm not too sure if we're gonna do it today, but I am really trying my best right now to get it done because that's what I really came out here to do. We went the wrong way or what?
hold on. This can put the address to the racetrack for some reason.
3 minutes away, tire shop?
Yeah, but I don't know. It's telling me 7. It's just gonna take me right back to the freeway, I think.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Wow. The GPS just made me do a circle. We're just gonna go on the freeway.
This place looks like Jeepers Creepers. We're trying to get to the tire shop right now, guys, but we have to drive on it. I didn't really find anybody with a spare out here, and even if we did, they're not just gonna let us have a spare. Yeah. It's something.
Alright. Hey, the up and get in.
Alright, guys, they already took it off, and they're gonna put another tire on there. Alright, guys, so the noise is still happening, so this tire is too. Not looking good for me, guys. That's the thing, it literally only happens when I step on it. Just even a little bit, it does that noise. Look. I don't know. Guys, we finally made it. It's right over there. What I'm thinking is that it's the fuel pump, because like just a little slight on the gas, little bit, you can hear it. It's like it's turning on. Look. Hold on. You hear it? Just a little tap right here. See? What I really am guessing is the fuel pump. I'm gonna talk to Russell, and see what his opinion is on it. It sucks to suck, but it is what it is. Today is just not my day. Yesterday, it was my day, because nitrous kit installed. Guys, there's like literally like cops non-stop just coming through here right now. Adding that up, that was 3 cops, sheriffs just literally rushing in. This guy told me, the one in the front, said that somebody's having a seizure. I don't think that was the case, and he said that somebody pointed a gun or something. So I'm like baffled. Like I'm kind of really curious on what's going on now. Somebody did pull a gun or something. That's 5 now. In total, 5. Another one. It looks like it's really getting serious for real. On idle, what's going on with the truck? Like, it's weird. It doesn't do it anymore. Usually I can like pinpoint close enough to the problem, but today it's like giving me noises over here, noises here, that noise over here. I'm like, what?
¿Qué?
What's going on?
Pagar.
Ah, that's cool.
Todo paga. Son
I
50.
guess that's what it is.
50.
¿Qué está pasando con la policía, güey? No manches.
No sé, güey.
Gracias.
Está hasta el tronco todo.
Qué
Aquí
bueno,
no falta nada.
Ahí lo veo. Que tenga un día. A lot of cops. What's going on? I think there was a brawl. I think a lot of people fought or something. Man, there's so many cops.
recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, so I was just having fun trying to call out Alex, but I did get one race that I am confident, and he wants to race. I don't want him to come to the truck and get scared if he sees this thing in the passenger seat. So he probably might say he's not scared, but I don't want to risk it. I don't want him to overthink. So I'm gonna do this real quick. Ve para allá. No te, ¿de qué estás hablando? It's all motor. Es puro motor. Puro motor. Es V6. No te preocupes. Technically, I'm not lying. I mean, if you put gas in the motor, it's still all motor. If you put E85, it's still all motor. If you put a little bit of liquid, which is the same as E85 and regular gas, it's still all motor, right? Right? What you got?
Dale, dale.
What you got?
Quiero-
6.0, 6.2, cam, 411.
Pero yo no quiero que nitro, yo no quiero que ni madre. Porque si no, mano,
Why do you call the rules?
Cuando yo le conecto el nitro, por eso te quiero correr con puro motor.
Okay,
Ok, con puro motor.
okay.
No le des con nitro, ya me dijeron que está en nitro. Este güey no me dijo. Dale, o le das con nitro como sea. That boy Omar don't want to smoke.
You sure about that?
I know that boy Omar don't want to smoke.
You sure about that? What's going on? Hey, what happened?
It's closed.
Ah. Right now, I don't hear.
Hey, I heard you got what I need.
What? Is nitrous?
No, I was gonna ask you. We're gonna go eat some hot dogs over there back home, the best in Houston. Well, they're good. You wanna come with us?
Yeah, I'm down.
Cause I haven't ate all fucking day.
Me
since
neither. Where's it at?
It's downtown, but I'll take you if you want.
Yeah, I'll just park the truck at your place. I think you.
I smell like oil.
I hear something.